Your air conditioner is your best friend during the scorching summer months. It keeps your home cool and comfortable, allowing you to escape the heat outside. And just when you thought your air conditioner was working perfectly, it started to act up. Could it be the compressor? Or maybe the motor is slowing down? Or perhaps it's something more serious, a refrigerant leak. Well, the first thing you need to know is that any issue with the air conditioner that seems like a big problem should be addressed by a trained professional. They will be able to identify the issue and provide an appropriate solution. One of the most common problems with air conditioners is a refrigerant leak. Refrigerant, which is made from a noble gas called Freon, is responsible for cooling down the air that enters your home. But when there is a leak in the pipes that carry refrigerant, your AC unit runs low on Freon, and that's when you start experiencing problems. So, without further ado, let's take a look at some of the signs that your air conditioner needs more Freon refrigerant. The first sign of a refrigerant leak is that your air conditioner is running, but your home isn't cool enough. Another telltale sign is ice buildup on your refrigerant line. This happens when the evaporator coil gets too cold, causing condensed water vapor in the air to freeze. A spike in your electricity bills occurs when your air conditioner is running longer than usual to cool your home due to low refrigerant levels. Finally, if you hear a hissing or bubbling sound coming from the refrigerant line, it's a clear indication of a large Freon leak. This should be addressed immediately to avoid any further damage. If you notice any of these signs, don't wait. Call Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning immediately, and let our expert technicians handle the issue. Our technicians are trained to handle all kinds of HVAC problems and will ensure that your system is running perfectly. So don't let a refrigerant leak ruin your summer. Call Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning today and keep your home comfortable all season long.